Beauty means accepting everyone's uniqueness, knowing that we're all different, and beauty is not defined by anyone or anything. I would say I love my personality. I struggled with it for a long time. I was always insecure that I was more on the quiet side. After learning more about myself and learning that everyone has their own personalities, and it just made me love myself even more. Yeah, I'm the quiet person, but it's okay because I know people like that too. Acne is caused by being dirty and not having the right hygiene, not washing your face enough. For a lot of people, that's just not the case. It's more complicated than that. We wash our face, we'll treat it, and for some reason it just won't go away. Social media positively affected my experience with acne when people started showing their acne in their profiles or in their pictures, and like seeing people embrace their own skin. In a negative way, social media does provide a platform to show fake or retouched skin because everyone can Photoshop their skin. First advice would be to lay off the foundation. If anything, it made my skin look worse. And another advice is to educate on skincare, knowing your ingredients and seeing someone who can help me out with it. Being an acne champ means overcoming my insecurities with acne and accepting that it's here. Just embrace it, accept it, and work with it.